Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we have a really special video. This is my new INTEX Simple Spa hot tub. I'm really excited to try it out. I've had a Salya Spa and I've had a Relx Time inflatable hot tub. This is my first INTEX hot tub. INTEX is probably the most well-known inflatable products company out there. So I'm really excited to finally have a chance to try one of their inflatable hot tubs. I opened up the big package and it looks like it came with 2 boxes and possibly a cover or possibly a mat that the unit will sit in. So this is what I found inside the packages. And the heater is actually very similar to the Salya Spa heater. You got the in and the out, and it looks like the bubble jets down there. Always take the time and read and follow the instructions thoroughly. What I've done is I actually have 2 inches of foam board and I have some indoor-outdoor carpet beneath the tub. But INTEX actually plans on you may not have a nice soft surface, but they want you to put down this ground cloth. I kind of like that. It's nice that it's included, and it is a little form of insulation. It looks just like a solar cover that you would put on your pool. What have we here? Okay, we got the lid. So to blow it up, INTEX has this little side port here and a quick connect. Just go in like that. I saw a little port over here for it. This is also the blow off valve. There you have it, all blown up. I'm gonna slip this underneath it. Now that we got the tub all blown up, we're gonna make the connections down here. You have the in and the out, and then you have the bubble jets connection. So we'll get all those tightened up, snugged up, and then we can start putting water in the unit. So as you can see here, they do line up fairly all right. You may have to flex them a little bit, but there is plenty of flex in the unit. And there's a rubber gasket that you're gonna wanna make sure stays on. Just be careful not to cross thread them. Now this time we're going to install the filter housing. And these do, okay, yes, they do come with the filters already installed. These threads right here are going to thread right on the filter side. There's 2. This is the INTEX light that I always recommend if you're familiar with our videos. The thing I really like about it is it's the brightest light that I've found, and I like the way that it affixes to the hot tub. If you have a Salya Spa, what I've done is I've actually found a guy who 3D prints these adapters, because the Salya Spa uses a Kim Connect. The INTEX tub uses just threads. So I will post a link below if you're interested. Now it is time to begin filling the hot tub. So I always put a towel down because I have a black hose, and one time it did mark up one of my inflatable hot tubs. So I just throw the towel over the side just to protect it. While we are filling the tub with water, we can actually put some air into the lid, and we'll get the lid all filled up. We did manage to beat the rain. We're expecting a thunderstorm in about an hour. I'm gonna let it continue to fill up, and I'm gonna let it start heating up once the water is over the inlet and the outlet from the pump. Located on the side of the unit, there is this quick connect air fill. I do like this. This is different than any of the hot tubs that I've seen before, but I have wanted to fill some like inflatable rafts or tubes when we go down the river, and I have wanted to use this before, so I'm pretty excited about that. So there's the lid all filled up, just waiting for the hot tub now. And the hot tub continues to fill up here. So it'll take a while. We have an old well. So we'll continue to fill. It is really important that you make sure that the hot tub unit, the heater unit itself, is shut off until it has enough water in there. You don't want to accidentally burn up a pump or burn up a motor because, say, you didn't realize it was running when the unit did not have enough water. It's coming along, filling on up. Thought I could beat the rain. That's okay. While the water is filling, we can add some chemical to begin sanitizing the water. These tablets should fit pretty well in there. One at a time is all you're getting. So I'm not sure I like that. I would probably recommend that you upgrade to something like this. It has an adjustable lever there. So based on your test strips, if you need less or more chemical, you can do that. And I like that you can hold more chemical at once. So I will leave a link to this as well in the description if you'd like to check it out. I want to say it was $10. So that'll be left in there for you too. Okay, the inlet and the outlet are now covered with water. I feel good. We can start this hot tub up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over, you're gonna hit the power button. It's gonna give you a reading. It says 14 degrees Celsius. Let's get that to Fahrenheit. It's about 58 degrees Fahrenheit in there. And then you're gonna hit the filter button. You're gonna hit the heat button. It will go all the way to 104. I'm gonna put it at 102, that's what I like. All right, now we'll just monitor it. And you want the water level in between these two. So you have a minimum and a maximum line. You want it right in the middle there. There you have it. The hot tub is full. It took about an hour to fill. The water may appear a little bit green right now, and that is because of the high iron content in our well water. That will go away after I clean the filters a couple times. Let's get the lid on. Hey, thank you for watching this video on the INTEX Simple Spa setup. I really hope you like it. We're going to let the hot tub continue heating for the next couple days until it's reached that 102 temperature that I got it set to. You can expect a review video coming along shortly after I've had some time to really play with it and see what I think of it. Any of the products mentioned in this video today you can find in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section and I will get to them when I can. If you could, please give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a good one.